Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find the security. Here let's go to the advanced options, click on encryption and credentials, and as you can see at the bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's click on it. If you are ready to remove all the contents, simply click on OK. If you have your PIN, so re-enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased. And this is it. This is how you successfully clear credentials in your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.